In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Google section available here. Now select All Services. Scroll again and tap on this section called AutoFill with Google under AutoFill and Passwords. Click on Google Password Manager. Select any password you wanna edit and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on Edit button and change whatever you want to. Once you're done, just click on Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!